Kitemana Repair Center. At our kite repair atelier, we fix kite gear day in, day out, so you can ride with confidence. Whether it's a small tear or a major repair, we make sure your next session is safe, smooth and stress-free. Our experienced and passionate repair specialists only work with the very best equipment, original materials, and spirit. Because we know your gear matters. At Kitemana, we only use the very original materials from your favorite kite brands, straight from the kite factories. Whether your line snapped, your board got damaged on the reef, your wetsuit needs a new color, your kite exploded, or you just want a quick gear check before your next kite adventure, we've got you covered. Bring your kite over to our mega store in Noordwijk, or simply send us gear by mail. We will restore your gear in top condition and get you back on the water in no time. Kitemana Repair Center. Your gear matters.